Hey guys, for today's video, it's gonna be a really exciting one for me to film. I'm so like, what's happening right now? Is this really my life? Because I am partnering with a brand today. I'm going to be showing you guys this really awesome hair tool that I am in love with. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. That tool is this. This is the InStyler Freestyle Max. So today's sponsor is InStyler, me. They're sponsoring me. Hello, what is life? What was really cool is that they saw my video that I did on the InStyler Freestyle, the original one, that's just the round bush. I did a video on it. I think it was called How to Get a Salon Blowout at Home. I can't remember. It'll be up here so you guys can check it out after this one. And they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to partner with them and show them this new tool that they came out with. This is the InStyler Freestyle Max. I've been using this for the last couple of weeks and I am going to talk to you about it. It's really cool. I'm going to show you guys a couple of different hairstyles that you can do with it, but before we get into that, to roll up our sleeves here, I want to tell you guys a couple of things about this tool. So this is a 4-in-1 hairstyling tool. It's dual voltage, which is really awesome. It goes up to 400 degrees. It has 4 different levels of heat it can go to, which is really nice. You can adjust it depending on your hair type. I usually keep it on 400. That's good for my hair. I have really thick, frizzy hair. This is one of my favorite parts about the tool is that it locks right here. So this one actually opens up into a flat iron. When you're ready to use it like this and you want to close it up, like you don't want to use the straightener part, it locks, which makes it so convenient. And I just absolutely love this little guy. This retails for $59.99. Super affordable if you ask me. Hair tools usually are so incredibly expensive. Since you get so many tools in one, you can do so many different styles of this. It just makes sense. It is so versatile. I love it. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial part. So I just washed my hair this morning. It's nice and clean so I can show you guys everything on nice, fresh, clean hair. The first style I'm gonna show you is the straightening part. So we all know how to flat iron our hair. Pretty self-explanatory. I love that it has a flat iron in it. Even though I don't wear my hair straight really that often anymore, it's nice to just have the convenience of it. Sometimes I just don't want to deal with curling my hair and I don't really like to wear my hair up. I normally like to wear it down and I'm like, okay, I gotta be out of the door in 2 minutes. I need something quick. I love that this has a flat iron attached to it. So pretty self-explanatory. Just kind of run it through, just give my hair a little bit of a curl on the end just to give it a little bit of volume, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys how I like to do more of like a wave, like a more relaxed loose wave. So lock this guy up. It's seriously so easy. Like you can use this so fast, and I think that's what I talked about in my last video when I talked about the original freestyle, was that it was so fast. It was just like so convenient to use. So I'll just kind of take a little bit of a thicker piece of hair and I just kind of do a little bit of a bend just like that, and then you have just like a nice loose kind of wave. Take another little piece right up here and do the same exact thing. I'm just gonna slowly turn, hold it for a second, and then I just pull it out of the brush and you have this nice little wave. I like to go for more of a wave like this when I kind of just want an effortless look. You know, I want to look like I tried, but I didn't try. And then when I do a little bit of a tighter curl, I'll take a little bit of a thinner piece of hair, about this much, probably like an inch, and I'll start by wrapping it around like this, and I'll just kind of let it sit there for a second, grab the tip, and then start working it through like this. Just do the same thing until I get all the way through, and then pull it out like this, and then you have a little bit more of like that traditional curl. So you can do so many things with this. You can essentially do everything you can with a straightener, a wand, but it's all one tool. For the final look, I'm gonna show you guys my go-to hairstyle. This is just probably my easiest, my most favorite. I can do this style in less than 5 minutes, and it's more of that blown out type look. I can't blow dry my hair the way that like my hairstylist can, you know, but with this little baby I can. This is still my favorite look to do, and it's probably my most done. I split my hair in half just like this right down the middle, and I take sections. I'm not really so much curling it or anything like that. I just let it sit for like maybe a second, let it sit for a second again, and start pulling it through And then I just pull it out and look at what you have. I mean, come on, look at that body. I'm gonna take the next section, do the same thing, start right here, start pulling it through. And then again, I just kind of let it sit for a second, nothing really too long, because I'm not trying to curl, I'm more so just trying to get some volume and some body to my hair. I mean, look at that, it's so fast. What has it been? A minute? I'm almost done with half of my head. And I just turn the tool until everything comes out. What's nice is that it has like these bristles on it, so it brushes your hair out, but then the heat from the tool smooths your hair out as well. Okay, we've got that. And then when I get to the front, I just take this little bang part right here, kind of bring it up and down this way. Look at this. It looks like I just got my hair done in a salon. I brushed out all the curl on this side so you can see how it looks with my hair just natural. And then this is what you have with the Freestyle Max. I mean, that looks so cute. Look at the difference. Hello, it literally looks like I got my hair done at the salon. I freaking love it. You can use this thing for long hair, short hair. The price is incredible. It's amazing. You can do your hair so fast. So many different styles. What is there to not love? Got this right here. And then let me just fix this little bang up here. Kind of over direct a little. I'm sure you guys saw in the beginning of this video, my hair was a little frizzy up here at the top. Now we are all nice and smooth. We've got so much body, so much volume. I love this tool. I knew I was gonna love it because I love the original Freestyle. The Freestyle Max is just as good, just a little more tweaked. You know, you got that little flat iron in there. You have the lock, again, dual voltage, goes up to 400 degrees. So convenient for travel. I'm gonna say it one more time, you can do so many things with it and you can do it quick. That's what I love about this. I still love my wand and I still do waves and things like that with other tools, but I've been reaching for this so much because the convenience of it just outbeats it all. For somebody like me where I wanna get it done as quick as possible and I wanna have really pretty hair, I want it to look cute, I want it to last all day, I want it to look nice and smooth. This is awesome for me. I can't stop raving about it and I'm telling everybody that I know about it because I love it so much. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe before you go and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future upcoming videos. Thank you so much for InStyler for partnering with me and sponsoring this video. I still can't believe it. I'm like, pinch me, am I dreaming? I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!